Our pal Steven from Facebook says he needs a 2-camera switching solution at an affordable cost so we can start streaming to Facebook and YouTube. So just what is a good solution for him?
I'm not going to answer what's the best on this. I'm going to give you some solutions that we've done shows on. And first of all, I want to start with, and I'm going to circle these as we go through, is we did a great show. Adam and Oliver did a show when I was out on multi-camera shooting. Now, we focused on a 3-camera shoot there, but I really loved about that show is we talked about where to position your cameras, how to use your cameras. A great thing to watch if you're using 2. 3 products I really recommend highly for this. Number 1 is the Roland products. We have the V1 HD and the V2. Those products are great. Now, these products are under $1,000 that will allow you to mix from one camera to another camera very easily, and then you would hook those products into an encoder like a Webcaster X2 or a Matrox Monarch to go up to Facebook or the web. The next one is what I consider to be the higher end 2-camera solution, but I love it, and we've done some great shows on it. That's the Pearl Mini. Pearl Mini's over here too, and I just did these. So the Pearl Mini, what I love about the Pearl Mini is it's under $5,000, $34.95. It'll allow you to do 2 or 3 cameras. It'll allow you to mix, record, and stream. And what I like about it is you have the on-camera, the screen on the unit itself that you control your show from with presets. You can do picture-in-picture. You can do A/B, next to each other, wipes, and the streaming. So that's a really good way to go. Now, one of the things that I really love for this, because it can be 2 cameras or cameras and phones, is SlingStudio. The SlingStudio hub comes in at $1,000. The Studio hub will allow you to bring in a HDMI input, and then it also will allow you to bring in an app that you can run on your phone so that any Android or any Apple, I just told you my messages, sorry about that, can come in from your phone, so every phone can become a camera. And it also has this thing called the Camera Link, which has an HDMI input, which lets you take any HDMI camera, go into the Camera Link, and now through an independent Wi-Fi network that the Sling sets up, you can bring in 2, 3, 4 more cameras that you want, 4 at a time. So that's a good way to go. And that's over here. We've done some great shows on the SlingStudio as well. And then also what I'd say is if you want to get into something that's a little more involved, that gives you more production value, the TriCaster Mini, HDMI is a HDMI mini mixer. It's $6,000, over $5,000. So I don't know if that still fits into your affordable. I usually think of affordable as under $5,000, but a good way to go, especially if you want to add that extra layer of content and availability like lower thirds, graphics, virtual sets, and stuff like that.